Hey folks, Pat Mitchell here, and today we're going to be dissecting an options trade we took on Aapl. But before we get into that, I quickly want to discuss the changes made to the Tricktrades YouTube channel. Now, it may be hard for new traders to realize that the balance between mind, body, and trading is crucial to success, especially at the beginning. But this is what separates Tricktrades not only from other channels, but other services. Now, we're currently working on improving the quality of the shows on Tricktrades TV, but what should be focused on is the message of each show. I never started Tricktrades or Tricktrades YouTube to gain as many followers as humanly possible. I started it to gain as many 10%ers as possible. You know, the ones that'll actually make it in day trading. Day trading brings in some of the worst people into the space of trading. It's natural for the get-rich-quick crowd. I have zero fucking desire to cater to those people, and I only want to work with the true 10%ers. So again, if you're wondering why we're focusing on mentality, health, and of course day trading, that's because that's what it fucking takes. That's what it actually takes to become successful. So if you really are a 10%er, not only in trading, but in life, smash the goddamn like button and keep on enjoying the content we all provide for free. And take the time out of our lives and from our loved ones, and not to mention the beach, to provide you the content you're watching. Let's get into the badass trade, and keep in mind, this is an average trade that we take at Tricktrades. And if you want to break the chains of the 9 to 5, and you truly are dedicated, you just might learn something. Okay folks, so now we are into the charts. This is Aapl on Friday. These levels, now for some of you that may not know, when I post my charts on social media, these levels that I place, these are all placed prior to the market even opening. This isn't hindsight, this isn't after the fact, this is actually before. Now I'll place these levels, I place this level here in the evening, before the market open in the previous evening. Okay, now that goes for all of the levels. I may tweak them in the morning during the pre-market plan of attack if the levels need to be tweaked up a little bit, but these are all prior to the market open. Now let's get into the trade. Now Aapl here is, we were looking for a long, but only if it came down into the 114.97. It needed to come into that 114.97 area. So at the market open, it comes down into the level. Now I execute into the level. Now I'm gonna share with you my executions in just one sec, but I want to give you the trade idea and my thoughts on this first. So as it comes into that level, I execute, I average into the trade, and as it pops up, because the market's unstable, I will quickly pay myself. I will pull a partial profit, taking off some of my contracts. Now keep in mind this, although we're looking at an equity chart, I am trading the options contracts. So as it comes up, I am paying myself. Now on this first big move, we had another level up here. Okay, now another level was up top in this area. Now I don't have it here, I have it on my TC2000 charts. Since it's Friday, I have no desire to hold all day long. Now we can zoom out one sec, and you can see that Aapl went quite a bit further. Okay, it went a full extra point from where I got out. It went up another point. But I'll tell you what, guys, on Fridays, and this is some of the stuff that I'm going to teach you, because of the way, the nature of options and how they melt down, which is time decay, you will end up screwing yourself. You're really, because it consolidated all day long, okay? You would be no further ahead when you took it off here, even if it went up a little bit further in the morning. You'd be no further ahead if you waited till the end of the day. So why not take the position off, make your money, and go enjoy your day? It's Friday. This is why we get into day trading. We get into day trading to have freedom. And this is the stuff that new traders really struggle with. They feel like they need to stick around all day long. They don't. You don't have to do that. Do not be a slave to the monitors. Do not be a slave to the charts. Make your money and get the hell out. Even if it's a small little move. So let's say you took all of your position off where my cursor is right here. Who cares? You made about 60, 65 cents a share, and plus on the options premium, this would be a good like 15, 20%. Who cares? Take the money and run. So now I'm gonna share with you my execution. So go back to this. Now remember the execution down here. Remember how this chart looks. I'm gonna get zoomed in just so then it makes it nice and easy, okay? Okay, now you can see the equity chart. It comes down into this level. Now, let's go into the execution. The execution, same thing. As it comes down into the level, I'm executing. I execute as it's coming into the level, and then I'm simply paying myself. Like I said, I pay myself on that first push quite nicely, and then I ride out the rest. Now, if you look at my execution, best execution is at 70 cents. Where's my best exit? 140. So in total, I made 100% on this trade from best to best. So somewhere in between, I made about, with all my profit taking, I bet you I made about a full, true 75% of my money on this trade. Now, I'll let you guess at the size that I took here, but you can tell by the amount of times that I paid myself and I peeled out. It was a big position. This was a very nice trade, and these are the trades that we take at Tricktrades, and these are the types of trades that I can teach you how to take. There is nothing special about this trade. This is a very run-of-the-mill general trade that will take Monday to Friday. Okay, well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And make sure to check out our free masterclass. Link is in the description below, and we'll catch you on the other side, folks. Adios.